Hello, students. Students, before this, I have already explained you one chapter, that is the 100 dresses one. And now, today we are going to begin with the second part of the same chapter. I hope in the part one, the things are quite clear to you because both the chapters are correlated to each other. In the first part of the 100 dresses one, we had an explanation and clear discussion that how a girl Wanda was teased in her girl, but especially by two of her classmates, Paddy and Maggie, because those two girls were always teasing her due to two reasons basically, about her dresses and about the place where she lived. Because Wanda is a poor girl, we came to know through the story, and Peggy is one of the most famous girl coming to a rich family. She was the one who was most popular in her class. Now, towards the end of the story, we noticed that Wanda has won a drawing competition. She was appraised a lot by all the teachers and her classmates too. And even these two girls was really surprised to know that Wanda is so talented also. But she herself was missing to hear everything, the words of appreciation, applauses for her in the classroom, and the appreciation from the teachers was not heard by Wanda as she was absent from the class from last 3-4 days. Now after that, this second part, the 100 dresses 2 begins. Now let us understand through this that how it is important and correlated. While the class was circling the room, the monitor from the principal's office brought Miss Messon a note. Miss Messon read it several times and studied it thoughtfully for a while. Then she clapped her hands. Attention, class. Everyone back to class seat. When the shuffling of the feet and stopped and the room was still and quiet, Miss Messon said, I have a letter from Wanda's father that I want to read to you. Miss Messon stood there a moment, and the silence in the room grew tense and expectant. The teacher adjusted her glasses slowly and deliberately. Her manner indicated that what was coming, this letter from Wanda's father, was a matter of great importance. Everybody listened closely as Miss Messon read the brief note. That means that day in the class, the teacher was standing with the letter. The letter which was written by Wanda's father, and the letter was sent to the school for the teachers. Miss Mason wanted to share that letter with the students of the class also. And that is why she has asked the students to sit down quietly, to pay attention, and she has given the instruction to the class to be quiet. And she also told them that today I have important thing in my hand, a letter which is written by Wanda's father, which I want to read for you. She deliberately, that means purposely, was adjusting her glasses, was taking pose, as to show the importance of the letter, as to create the attention of the class. And now she was ready to read the letter. Here is the letter, children, which says, Dear teacher, my Wanda will not come to your school anymore. When he says that my Wanda will not come to school anymore, that means I told you into the chapter 1, part 1, that Wanda Petriongsi, that means the daughter of the man who has written the letter, and Jack, her brother, also. So he says that my Wanda will not come to your school anymore. Jack also. Now we away to big city, because now they have moved to a big city. No more holler polak. No more ask why funny name. Plenty of funny names in the big city. Yours truly, Jen Petriongsi. That means the letter was a complete indication for the students that the children who used to make fun of the girl by saying that she has a funny name, she has a strange name, she comes from a funny place, from a poor place, all those things will not now be repeated, as the family has moved to a big city where people really does not matter and does not mind that how funny their name is and at what place do they live. They only matter that how do they represent themselves. And after this letter, there was a deep silence. A deep silence met the reading of the letter. Miss Mason took off her glasses, blew on them, and wiped them on her soft white handkerchief. That means Miss Mason was not only cleaning the glass, in fact, she was going through with the process of thinking that all this was happening in her school. That all this was a painful move, a painful step for Wanda, and she was suffering through this. Then she put up them on again. Then she put them on again and looked at the class. That means now she's looking towards the class with her attention, complete attention towards the class. When she spoke, her voice was very low because now, as if she wanted to raise a question to the class, that due to your silly and notorious behavior, one child was badly hurt, and that is why the child has decided to leave the school. Then she says, I am sure that none of the boys and the girls in room number 13 would probably and deliberately hurt anyone's feeling because his or her name happened to be a long, unfair one, and I prefer I prefer to think that what was said in thoughtlessness. I know that you all of you feel the way I do, that this is a very unfortunate thing to have happen, unfortunate and sad both. And I want you all to think about it. That means the teacher has very clearly said to the children that now it is a time for you to think and realize that due to your small gesture of silliness, one child has left the school. How sad she would have felt. And she also said that it is a very unfortunate thing that now, when the girl got the recognition, when the girl was appreciated, when everybody could realize that how important she was, how efficient she is not there with us to know everything. And that is why she said it to the class that I'm sure none of you in this room will repeat it deliberately again, will not going to have such kind of interaction with anybody anymore. And she also instructed the class to think that they will not repeat it, and in fact they must think that how wrong thing they have done, that how they have hurt the feelings of somebody. They need to prospect and introspect themselves. We'll continue the rest of the chapter in the next video, children. I hope this will going to help you and the explanation will make things clear to you. Thank you.